guys, it is Wednesday, December the 18th of 2024. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 19. Heading into Kroger to do my Kroger Deals video, and it's so busy in here, can't even park in the normal lot. Had to park over here in like the lot by the gas station, so fun times. I can only imagine how crazy it is in the store. This seems to be new, frosted honey bunches of oats. Interesting, very interesting. Have any of you guys had these? If so, are they good? Guys, I kind of love this shirt. It says, "Dear Santa, I tried." That is hilarious. All right, guys, this is kind of controversial, but I'm still going to talk about it because it's worked great for me for years and I've never had a problem with it. So I actually do use a couple of credit cards to make my purchases, and I literally go in and pay them off every single week. I don't wait till it's like due once a month. I go in and pay it every single week. So I never ever pay interest, but I rack up rewards points. Like today, I got over $32 in rewards points. So, I mean, I'm gonna be able to get $32 of things. I use the card to make purchases I was making anyway, like couponing and stuff like that, pay that thing off, and then I get free money. So I have 32 something dollars in rewards points I'm gonna be able to use today. So I'm just like grabbing things that we need, taking advantage of some deals, stocking up, and after my rewards, I mean, it's gonna be free. So I'm really stoked about that. So it's kind of controversial, but it works really good for me, and I do get even more freebies that way. So if you can like be disciplined and pay it off and never pay interest, it's a great way to, you know, make even more money. Oh my goodness, guys, I have had a time over here at Kroger. They've had so many deals today, and I'm like super excited. So gonna be stocking up for sure. I'm gonna pick this toy up. This is regularly $15.99, but it's on sale for $4.99, and my cousin's son would love this, so I'm definitely picking that up. Doing the Scott toilet paper deal. These are $2.99 a pack. I'm also going to be doing the personal care deal. Gonna be making a super easy soup tonight for dinner, and you need salsa, so picking that up. I'm doing the Rockstar deal, also the Snuggles. Going to be doing another one of the personal care deals. I'm going to do 2 transactions so I can take advantage of that. So awesome deals here. I've only scanned 3 items and I've already messed up the register. Joy.
A few moments later.
Guys, you know it's 2024 when we can tap to give to the Salvation Army. That is honestly pretty cool because I don't ever have cash normally. I mean, I actually do today, but I don't normally have cash. So now you can like just tap and use your Apple Wallet or Google Pay or whatever and give to the Salvation Army that way. So very cool.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, I'm literally going to be sharing with you all like the easiest soup recipe ever. It's just so incredibly easy, especially if you already have the chicken cooked. But even if you don't, it's still super easy. So for this, you literally just need a jar of salsa, some beans. You can pick whatever kind you want. We use black beans. You need some chicken broth and chicken. That's literally it. You could add corn to this if you wanted to. This is like a salsa chicken bean soup. So what you're going to do is you're going to need your chicken broth. We use like the bouillon, but you can use chicken broth. Use about 4 cups of that. That's what we did. So go ahead and stir that all around and get that as mixed as you can. And then you will go ahead and transport that over to a crock pot, or you could even do it on the stovetop if you'd rather. Either way. Then you're going to go ahead and shred up the chicken, which I have this chicken shredder thing, got from Amazon. I actually asked for it for Christmas a few years back. Love that thing so much. It has made my life so much easier. So highly recommend, comes in handy for things like this. But shred up that chicken and add that into the pot. I probably use like 4 chicken tenderloins. So around there, as much chicken as you want. Then you're going to want to go ahead and add in your beans. Just dump those in there straight from the can. If you want to rinse them, you can as well. Do whatever you want to do. Then the salsa. Put in the salsa. Just go ahead and scrape that salsa on in there. And, you know, get that in the soup. The salsa has so many spices and good flavors to it. I love using salsa in soup because, you know, it takes away from having to measure a lot of spices. There's a lot of spices already mixed in with the salsa, so just a good jarred salsa there. So go ahead and do that, and then mix all of it around. Mix the ingredients together. It'll turn the whole like broth into like a salsa kind of color. And that's kind of how it looks. And guys, just let it do its thing in the crock pot. You'll let it warm up, and this is what it looks like. We had ours for about 3 to 4 hours on high. You know, everything was fully cooked. Just needed to be, you know, warmed up or whatever. I usually add mine like I do chilies. So tortilla chips or tortilla strips, shredded cheese, and sour cream. And it's so good. As long as your chicken is cooked, it takes like 5 minutes to put together. It is so easy and it's delicious. You can't go wrong with it. Great meal. So guys, I didn't get around to doing any like angel trees or anything like that this year, which is crazy because normally I do something like that. I've done like angel tree. I've also done like the adopt a senior before. I've done that. So I've done different things, but it's, oh my goodness, Christmas just came up like so quick this year. I think because we didn't even have a month between Thanksgiving and Christmas, like things just got away from me. Like time just got away from me. And so I never got around to doing anything like that, but I want to do something. So I decided to go ahead and do the Operation Christmas Child through Samaritan's Purse, which is a really, really cool thing. You can like build a box online and it gets like sent to, a child in need. So it's really cool. And so I'm actually going to go ahead and do one for a girl and for a boy. So I'm going to do two, but they're $25 a piece. And it's actually really cool. You can like do it online. So you get to pick an age. So I don't know, let's just say 5 to 9. And you get to pick items. So it comes with essentials like pencils, a notebook, crayons, a pencil sharpener, toothpaste, stuff like that. Then you also get to pick a fun item. So a doll, a soccer ball, or a stuffed animal. I think a girl would like a doll. So let's go ahead and go with that. Then you get to pick 3 small toys. So a beading kit, that would be cool. A jump rope, and I don't know, what else do we want to do? Let's just go for a harmonica. Why not? And then you get to pick 2 accessories. So 2 different accessories. Go ahead and get some hair accessories. And let's go ahead and get a t-shirt. So that'll be fun. And all that for $25. So I think that's really cool. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do one for a girl, and then I'm going to do one for a boy. So doing the same thing for a boy, getting the essentials here, picking a wow item. Let's go with the building block cars. Pick 3 small toys. Let's do a ball, a harmonica, and another car, because cars are just super cool. Then I'm going to go ahead and do a t-shirt, and I'm going to do some socks, because you never have enough socks either. So yeah, really cool. And I think it's such a cool invention that you can even do this. You can build a shoebox online for, kids in need for the holidays. I think that's awesome. So what a cool invention, and so glad I got to do this. Guys, I don't think it was a bad deal either, because they're like an angel tree. It probably would cost more than $25 or around $25 if you're thrifty. So I don't think that was bad, but I'm glad I got to do something, because like I said, I normally do like an angel tree or adopt a senior or something. And this year, it's just like, seriously, is anybody else like, it feels like we didn't have much time to like transition from Thanksgiving to Christmas, and so I'm glad I got to do something. So that's really cool. If you guys are looking for something that you would like to do like that to help a child in need this Christmas, I would definitely check that out. I'll put the link in the description box, but this isn't sponsored, by the way. It's just literally my procrastination and like, oh, I didn't get to do an angel tree or anything like that, so I'm gonna do this. But it worked out good. So anyways, guys, it is now time for the advent calendars. So let's go ahead and do that. So day 19, I'm really excited for this. Okay, so we actually had this brand before. We had like banana cream or banana pie or something eclairs. What were these called? Banana something. Banana split. Banana split. I knew it was banana something. Today we have Walker's mint chocolate eclairs, which sounds amazing. That sounds phenomenal. So I'm really excited to try this. So let's go ahead and see. Ooh, this looks like a caramel. This looks like a caramel, and it's supposed to taste like mint, so I can't wait. I truly can't wait for this.
A few moments later.
Okay, so do you guys know those like Pearson's mint patties? This is literally like a caramel with a little mint patty inside. That's literally what this is like, and I am here for it. I actually am a fan. This is really good. Really, really good. So that one was awesome. So 2 thumbs up for that one. Let's do our Very Merry Advent Calendar, day 19. All right, we got green Christmas trees. Let's go ahead and try this.
A few moments later.
All right, guys. I'm actually always a fan of the green ones typically. I like the flavoring. It's like an apple kind of flavor. Definitely was good. I mean, it was tough, but most of these have been. But flavor-wise, it was good. It did not taste like children's cough syrup, which is always a win because most of these do. So I'm pretty happy with both of these today. So anyways, guys, I hope you all enjoyed. It was a little bit of a shorter vlog, but, it was kind of a crazy day. Just a lot of, like, work stuff. Nothing, like, exciting, really, to share. Just, like, getting things done. But I hope you guys, nonetheless, enjoyed following me along. And, yeah, thank you all so much for watching.
To wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town.